is Dr. Crystal Ruff, and I am an MBA 2016 at the London Business School. I did an undergraduate in biochemistry, molecular biology. I went and did my PhD at University College London in regeneration of the brain, and then I went on along that path to see whether or not we could use stem cells to help children who've had a brain injury or people with a spinal cord injury. It turns out we can. So the work that I did personally with these two hands showed that we could functionally double the signal speed in the brain, which means basically getting someone with no function to normal function. And what do you do with that? Scientists had no idea of how to commercialize their product, and the business people had no idea of the delicacies and intricacies of this. So I thought, gosh, wouldn't it be nice? So I signed up for an MBA. I was very fortunate. I was offered a place here at London Business School. Looking at the business strategy side, how are you going to get stem cells to everyone in the UK within 24 hours before the cells go bad? How am I going to get this out? These are business questions that are completely applicable to healthcare. The scholarship was essential for me. I can go out, I can be productive, and that wouldn't be possible without the generosity of this scholarship. So the goal of this year is to grow the Healthcare Club. In addition to doubling engagement, doubling alumni presence, doing great events, for the first year we have instituted the advisory board made up of faculty at the school that all advise as to the path of the club. I think having people around who have this breadth of experience, who are leaders in their respective fields, really strengthens the school. It's a community. This is going to be huge, and it's going to change the way our healthcare system operates. Thanks to LBS, I can be someone who's a leader in this field.
My name is Rajesh Chandy. I hold the Tony and Maureen Wheeler Chair in Entrepreneurship. I'm a professor of marketing at London Business School, and I'm an academic director of our Deloitte Institute for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. The Tony and Maureen Wheeler Chair had a huge impact. It changed the way I look at the world, I look at research, the topics I study, and the areas I study these in. In order for us to do research in new areas, we can't simply go to a website somewhere and just download a whole lot of data and analyze what works and what doesn't. We actually have to physically show up there. The funding we've received over the years from friends and supporters of London Business School has made possible is the ability to check out new ideas, explore new topics, but then also implement large-scale studies, large-scale field experiments that help us tease out what's actually happening on the ground in these places. And that would not be possible at most other schools. Once a year, I take about 80 to 90 of our MBAs to South Africa for something called the Global Business Experiences. The task for the students is to work as consultants to small business owners in a township in South Africa.
Our family actually is trying to establish the business and actually grow it.
I have to say, in all of my teaching, this has been one of the most profoundly moving teaching experiences. Even though I'm not standing in front of the class and doing lectures all week long, in fact, they're learning by observation. Indeed, they're learning by being out there in the field, by encountering unfamiliar, unexpected, sometimes slightly scary, but also intellectually difficult problems. The support we've received from the members of the London Business School community, and specifically donors, has made a huge difference. It's made a difference in allowing us to aspire to ideas, research opportunities, teaching opportunities, impact that we may not have been able to do otherwise. As cliched as it may sound, I'm a believer in the school's vision to have a profound impact on the way the world does business. It is an ideal that tells us there is a purpose to what we're doing. It forces us to think about what difference we're making.
To donors everywhere, on behalf of all of us, thank you.